Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So first of all, I want to apologize for the lighting. The lights I use, one of them broke and I'm currently making some jugaad with my previous lighting, which is not very up to the mark. So please bear with it. Today I'm going to unbox the September GlamEgo box. Last month, in the month of July, I unboxed my first ever GlamEgo box, and now I'm going to unbox the September GlamEgo box with all of you. So this is how the box looks like, and this has a bride, like the 3/4 face of bride here, and the name of this box is written here. It's blue in color, not blue, this is a green, bluish green color. The box looks very nice, very Indian, very festive. Now just let me open this box and see what's inside. So I have opened this up already. I'm not going to lie, not going to be dishonest with you. I have opened this box. I have opened some of their products and already seen what is inside. So this is going to be a mini review also. First, there is a card. This is an info card. This says try and buy directly from brands to you and select up to 3,700 worth products for $3.99. So this is the info card. They do not give any card for like the product listing and all. So I'm going to go through all of them individually and show you what's inside and what the prices of the products are. Next thing, very first thing I can see is this Pretty Woman makeup remover balm. I have already received it in one of my subscription bags or boxes. I don't remember it. I think I received it in my previous GlamEgo box. So this is the Pretty Woman makeup remover balm. I have used this product when I received it in my previous box, and this works pretty well for waterproof makeup. If you want to use something gentle for your face, like a balm kind of a makeup remover, you can definitely use this. The product is like a balm consistency, and you take it on your fingers and rub it between your fingers. It makes it a little bit of liquidy, and rub it to your face and your eyes, and it removes waterproof mascara effortlessly, and I really love that. So this is my second tub of it. The first one I have used 3-4 times, I think. The price is not mentioned here. If I find the price, I will leave it in the description box. This is a 9.5 gram of product, and you need a very less amount of it to remove your face makeup. So that's that. The second product is from voucher. So this is a microdermabrasion spa exfoliant. So this is a scrub that gives you a spa like skin polishing effect. I have used it. This certainly does a great job. It has very fine granules, like not granules but scrubbing particles. When you see this scrub, you won't see the granules, the particles, scrubbing particles, but when you apply it onto your face, you can certainly feel that your face is being exfoliated very nicely, very gently. The particles are not very gritty, so they are very gentle on your skin. It doesn't scratch your skin, your facial skin. And this product is a cream consistency, so this is very nice for like a pamper routine, or you are getting prepped for an occasion or wedding or any special parties or any special occasion. This is the best. This is 30 gram, a very decent amount, and this is priced at, price is not mentioned in the jar. I will find it out and leave it in the description box. So that was that. Next we have another product from voucher. This is their face serum. This is 50 ml of product. Packaging looks very luxurious, very nice. This is an aqua based or water based serum that absorbs very quickly into your skin. I have used it. This has a very prominent scent of geranium. Geranium is very nice for your skin. It says that it helps in brightening up your complexion, but I have used it once, so I have to use it a couple of times to see exactly how it reacts to my skin, if it really brightens it up or not. This also comes with a dropper, and the consistency of this product is very serum like, water based, and it quickly absorbs into your skin and gives it a very moisturized effect. This is absorbed into the skin and the skin feels very nourished and moisturized. This is, I think, a full size product and it's priced at 1670 rupees. Last but not the least, we have a makeup option this time in this box, and this is Starstruck by Sunny Leone, and I haven't used anything from her brand yet. I once planned to buy a couple of lipsticks from her brand, but that never happened. So this is in the shade Cherry Bomb, and I guess it's a demi matte or a creamy matte. I think it's a creamy matte lipstick. Packaging is just like this, a black matte packaging. This is the shade Cherry Bomb 03 and it's a beautiful maroon color. It seems a bright red in this lighting, but this is a maroon red, like a dark red in the bullet itself in reality. So this is the shade. Let me show you. Yeah, this is the shade. Very pigmented, very rich in color. I really like it, and this is priced at 799 rupees. So overall, I liked this month's GlamEgo box. Although the items were really few, like 4 products in this box, but all of them are worth a try. I loved all of them. I have to use this lipstick and see its staying power and all. I will review this in my blog, I think. And also I'm really excited for this too. I'm going to try out this one. I will start using this religiously from tonight, and then the scrub is really nice. You have to try this, guys. And the makeup remover balm is also very nice. So all of the products are really nice. You can try this month's box. This is a great box for the price you pay, just 399 rupees for all these products. If you want to book your GlamEgo box, you can definitely go to the description box and see what to do to like subscribe for the box. So that was it for today's video. I will soon see you all in my channel with a new video. Till then, you guys be happy and keep smiling.